We're up here on the Mohawk Road, just outside of the Camp Creek area, and the crews are working up methodically through here. It's one of the hardest hit areas. But the thing we had last night was our Walterville substation coming on all the way up Camp Creek. Really what our aim has been is as that transmission comes up, we're restoring as fast as humanly possible. The story is restoring upriver right now, and that's the big focus. We do have presence in town hitting those outages. But really, the progress the crews have made up here have been astounding. We haven't had an ice storm like this in the past. We have had ice storms in upwards of 20, 25,000 people, but this one, the amount of destruction is something we haven't seen.
I've been here 24 years, going on 24 years. Yeah, I've been a lineman for a long time. This has been as bad as I've seen it. I've seen different types of storms that are as devastating, but in smaller areas. This is a pretty large area. We actually had it hit us twice. So when we got stuff good things put back together, it came again with another ice event. So it caused more problems. When we were out here, everything's coming down at this. It just sounds like gunshots going off during that ice. Then there were times when we had to pull people out and say, "Hey, get out of the trees, get out of the, sit in your truck, get out of the way." In fact, we went home one night for a little early because it became too dangerous. Oh yeah, they're dedicated to this. They're dedicated to their job. Every one of them are, and they want to be here because they know that's their job.
Right now, we usually run 6 crews on a normal day. We've added 11 crews. They're all from contractors. That's over 50 different people from all around the Northwest to be able to add to our resources. Our teams are fully stood up. Their teams are fully dedicated. Some of these are ones that have come from other storms and they've already been working weeks. Our team has been working since the day of the storm, and we're continuing to. And so we're still stood up fully. The ice is gone, but the work is still going. It's going to be on into several days for us to keep restoring these circuits. And we will still be providing presence in town, and those are going to be really in the form of services that have been torn down. So urging customers to go out and look at their house, see what damage there is, call an electrician, call EWEB, and make sure that they're safe to do their work. And then as we get through those smaller services will get restored. Can't say enough how proud we are about our team and about just our way we've been able to respond to this. Can't say enough how much we appreciate the support of the community through this. The crews, what they need to do their work is the resources and the equipment and the materials. They have that, but what the community is providing through support is even more. It keeps them going their 16-hour days, and then sometimes all through the night when we're having outages still come down. So really appreciate that. We understand cold houses. We understand not getting a warm meal, no water in some areas, especially for those more rural customers up in McKinsey, and just really appreciate the support. And we'll be at this till it's done.
What message would you have for customers who are going to be without power for another few days?
Well, we're trying. Most all of us are out of power too, so it doesn't make it any better for them. But we're working at it. We'll get to them. We haven't forgot about them.
How are your families doing?
Well, they're learning how to build generators and flip breakers. So my wife's she's getting really good at it.